आराम से बात करना, लाइक जैसे तो किसी से फ्रेंड से बात कर लिया। Hi all, I am Triveni. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am 26 years old, originally from Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh, India. I am currently living in Philadelphia, United States of America. And this is my first ever YouTube video. I did it if I end up posting it. I moved to the US in August of 2024. It's been 2 years. So finally, I feel confident or qualified enough to talk about my journey and answer the big question that do I regret coming here or not? So let's talk about my background. I am from झांसी. झांसी एक स्मॉल टाउन है और उत्तर प्रदेश में, और मैं एक स्मॉल टाउन में भी एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से आती हूँ. तो कमिंग टू द US, doing a master's abroad was a very new concept. Like I had no idea like how difficult it's gonna be. All I have seen is in movies, people moving abroad, living their best life, American dream and all. So मेरा जो भी रेफरेंस था वो इन्हीं like YouTube videos या मूवीज से था. So I did my bachelor's from Banasthali Vidyapeeth in Business Administration BBA. बहुत ही easy degree थी मेरी. After that I worked for around 4 years. I mean, I had a very stable career. I was working remotely the entire 4 years. So life was perfect for me. But it's just that I wanted to do something more. I wanted to do something different. Or I could see that my career is growing, but it's growing at a very slow pace, and I wanted more from life. I took the biggest financial decision of my life. I couldn't fund myself, my family couldn't fund me to come abroad, but still I took an education loan of 70k USD, which is around 65 lakhs. Yeah, 65 lakhs. After I came here, it felt amazing initially because I was in that bubble कि मैं अपनी फैमिली में पहली हूँ, पूरे ख़ानदान में पहली हूँ, पूरे रिश्तेदारों में पहली हूँ. तो मैं बहुत खुश थी initially, but there was also this pressure कि I cannot fail because then I will be an example and nobody else will be able to do this, and no parents will allow their daughters to go outside because I will be a failure and I will set that bad example for everybody. So I didn't want to do that. So what I saw on the internet was if you move abroad, you get better opportunities, you get better pay, and you live a better life. You're earning in dollars and you have a perfect life. Once you get a job, everything will be all right. And I thought I have 4 years of experience already. I have my undergrad in business administration, and if I do my master's in marketing again, I will be like why would anybody not hire me if I already have 4 years of experience? And I was seeing all these YouTube videos of people getting jobs, but I also saw like people were struggling, but I was very optimistic that I will get a job. Like, why wouldn't I? Like, so my middle class background was a huge disadvantage because सबको बाहर जाना है, सबको न्यूयॉर्क घूमना है, सबको ट्रैवल करना है, पार्टीज करनी है. दे वांट टू एक्सपीरियंस द अमेरिकन पार्टी कल्चर, हाउस पार्टीज थ्रो करनी है. एक्सपेंसिव यहाँ आए हैं तो एक्सपेंसिव गिफ्ट्स लेने हैं, बैग्स लेने हैं और फिट इन करना है, और मुझे वो नहीं करना था. और मतलब मैं पिक मी नहीं बन रही हूँ यहाँ पे, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी. मुझे almost every time I had this in my mind that I came here on an education loan and I cannot do this. Every time I spend $1, there is an 11% interest on it. Second, बहुत ही ज़्यादा वीज़ा का स्ट्रेस है. Like every day you see some news, OPT बंद कर देंगे, फिर H1B बंद कर देंगे, फिर H1B पे फीस लगा देंगे, फिर OPT पे फीस लगा देंगे. It's just too much. Like आज अगर मैं OPT सर्वाइव कर लूँ, then I will have to struggle for H1B, and somehow people get H1B, then they struggle for the green card application, and while these applications are in process, you can't travel to your hometown, and somehow you travel to your hometown, you're always scared when you're coming back and you're at the airport and when there's security check. So the third point is more of a personal issue maybe. because I am in my 20s and I want to do multiple things. I want to own a business, और मुझे content creation भी करना है, मुझे मेरी properties भी होनी चाहिए, और मुझे बहुत कुछ करना है. But because of the visa, I can only do my job, which is not wrong. Like, yeah, लोग आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे वीज़ा पे, तो जो करने आ रहे हैं वही करना चाहिए. I mean, I'm in full support. But I feel like it restricts us a lot. मतलब मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिपेंडेंट हूँ अपनी जॉब पे, क्योंकि मैं एक ही चीज़ कर रही हूँ. I cannot even invest money properly. People do that all the time. Like, people do buy properties and invest money and have this and that and everything. But I don't want to create that liability also. क्योंकि मुझे पता ही नहीं है, वीज़ा का ही नहीं पता है. तो I mean, when you're not certain about your future, आप ये सारे रिस्क भी नहीं ले पाते हो. कुछ लोग अपना बिजनेस भी कर रहे होते हैं, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो मैं वो भी कर पाऊंगी कॉन्फिडेंटली. मतलब, if I have to explain this, like, you're always scared. But there are also good things. There are a lot of pros of coming to the US. People who don't have this pressure are doing amazing. I feel like it's because I have this pressure, I regret my decision, because I'm constantly scared. But when I see other people who don't have any loan or anything and they get a job like me, they're happy, they're living their best life. Because in India, like, with tax and everything, tax, government, civic sense, all of this is an issue. Like, Indian to Indian, we know it's an issue. For now, it's yes, and I have two reasons for it. First, I had worked in India, so I know I have a good life there. Plus, I can do a business, I can make a family, be with my family, and I can see my life ahead there. I am not like uncertain like how I am here. And the second reason is that it's been 2 years. I've invested a lot of money, around 1 crore here. I've not paid off my education loan till now, even though I've been working since I graduated. Even before I graduated in December of 2025, and I've been working since July of 2025. Yeah. So technically, in 2 years, I've not made a single dime. Instead, I have taken a huge loan, and I could have, if I would have been in India, I would have been making money. So on that basis, I feel like this wasn't the right decision. So this was it for this video. But if you want to learn about a career in marketing tech or life of an international student, or about me in general, I am here. Please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, thank you.